This day of 10th April will have its significance in the history of the CTA.
We believe that this will provide a roadmap for people to understand how the 16th Kashag intends to move forward in the near term or in the mid-term or in the long term.
It set a goal and visions of the 16th Kashag to look into, to resolve the Sino-Tibetan conflict and make the Tibetan people more resilient.
This is some page joya dan te la chashilin tangi rambati tende ngazu changmangin kurgoya ne tanji chasha samgudo.
Vision paper is a really excellent outline, I think especially for Tibetan youth who may not be as familiar with the current administration and the work they're trying to do.
Look at how you as a Tibetan can take part in the process of realization of these objectives.